G'day everybody, Simon Cooper here again from Cooper Strip Club, and today I'm with this Corvette and it's got a little bit of damage. This was in a forest fire in California, and the radiant heat caused all the paint to fail. And anyone knows Corvettes knows that they're a fiberglass body, and we're going to be doing some stripping on it. So you'll be able to see it stripping on fiberglass, and we're going to be stripping this bonnet. So I'm going to be getting some masking in underneath to protect the engine and everything like that. So we'll come back to you shortly. Put a light coat on and the stripper, and then it'll absorb pretty quickly into the clear coating. Coming to you from magwarehouse.com. And Nathan reached out a couple of weeks ago asking if it would take paint off fiberglass basically.
So here we are, stripping car paint off fiberglass.
Yep.
Off a Corvette. What year is it?
1971. So as we spray, we go puff, 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 puff. And before I go further, I'll just check what's there.
This is horrifying to a lot of people, thinking, what? You're putting paint stripper on top of fiberglass?
Yeah, it's a bit freaky, eh? You know, you put a great pool of it on there overnight, it's definitely going to damage the fiberglass, but we're just not going to do that. We're going to let it do its job, which is about 10 minutes, and then we'll take it off. We get quite a lot of comments that the stripper will somehow magically keep gnawing away at the fiberglass like it was weed killer or something, but once we've rinsed it away, then there is nothing to keep doing things.
Cooper's is pH neutral, so it's not the acid or alkali burning.
You can see there's little white spots. The badge was unscrewed, and I've got masking tape behind it, but on the front there I've put blue tack into the holes, so that'll stop things getting through the other side.
So it's better for multiple light applications than a big drenching, isn't it?
Oh, totally. Wasn't going to touch this bonnet until I'd done a test patch first, get all your timings right.
Yeah, 50 coats of paint or two, so
Yeah.
work it out.
Well, this is looking pretty out there,
Pretty
eh?
diseased.
So I look for a wet mushiness. So this steel wool is a European one. It's very long stranded. So we just do little tests. So there's up to. There's a little bit of resistance there, so I think another couple of minutes is what we'll need. Got a large, great chunk of the wool, so and anywhere that it's not got through, we'll just give it another puff. As I say, if this was a steel bonnet, we would give it extra 5 or 10 minutes without any worrying about the fiberglass. So this, you just always tread cautiously, and then you don't have problems. And with the wool, you just keep opening it, turning it around, and it'll just keep on going for quite a while. This is the same as European wool. It's very sharp, doesn't crumble like most steel wools you use.
You're not scrubbing a dry surface.
No.
It's wet with the products.
Everything I'm doing is wet. So, flusher. This is the rinsing part. This is the part that takes away any residues of softened paint and any stripper that might be still leaking there.
Is it neutralising, Simon?
No, there's actually nothing to neutralise with this. This is a slow drying solvent. This is like a nylon weave with a grip put into it. And what we do is we spray the flusher on and we give this a rinse going over. And this is getting rid of any soft residues that might be there. People often mistake this as a neutraliser, but as I said, there's nothing to neutralise.
And the point being soft residues, easy to mobilise them off the surface by the soft.
No, exactly. Little bits of green.
Oh, it's made a difference.
You can go back a step if you want. So it's all stripped, all the clear coat, the solid colours, down to the spray putty. So see you next time.
Till then.